Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Netflix profile picture custom. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now, first of all, just make sure to update the Netflix app with the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in the search box, tapping in Netflix. And go here and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Netflix application, I basically want you to go over and open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. So let's say that you have multiple profiles added. If you want to change how each of these profiles look, it's very simple. All you have to do is tap on the edit button, which is on the top right-hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the edit button, you will see this kind of interface, and then select a profile on which you want to change the profile picture. So I'll just select this one, for example. Once I do that, you can see all of the settings over here to change the profile picture. Again, tap on the pencil editing icon next to that profile picture as well. As long as you do that, keep in mind that you will not be able to add a custom icon, but there are lots of new ones that you can actually choose from. For example, you can see One Piece, Stranger Things, The Witcher, Lucifer, or anything else such as The Crown, and many of the popular shows and TV icons, which you can choose from. As you can see, a list of all those ones over here. You can also see some of the princess ones, and you can also see any of the icons over here. In order to make the changes, just go ahead and select the icon that you might want to use. Once you go ahead and choose the icon that you want to use, just tap on it, and as you can see, the changes will be successfully taking place. And you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to tap on the same button or anything once you come back. And if you look, you can see how a new profile picture has been updated. You can repeat the process for others as well. This icon changes the Netflix profile picture. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.